Magic wallet. A must gift for your men or loved ones and friends this coming Christmas. Available colors are light gray, dark blue, black, and brown. See how fun to use this wallet is. I will start to put money inside without inserting it to the black garter. Then look how it will be magically inserted inside the garter without me inserting it. Flip it again, and then it will be inserted in the parallel garter line. Flip it again, then it will be on the cross garter line. Close, then flip again and again. Buy now for only 167 pesos. Shop link in bio.